To replace the gears on your EZ-8, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 7/16" hex wrench, remove the cover plates and gears from the pump cavity. Inspect the gears for wear or damage. Using an O-ring removal tool, remove the O-ring from the gear cover plate and inspect for wear or damage. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. Reinstall the gears, ensuring they turn freely. Then reinsert the O-ring and install the cover plate. Ensure the O-ring is seated securely before tightening.